Good morning, I'm Chef Vari from Florence Tuscany, and I'm here for explain you what we do today. We present the bruschetta, no bruschetta, but bruschetta. Our summer knock the door, so bruschetta is the perfect for lunch, for dinner, for your picnic. It's very easy to make, just some rules. Where come from the name of bruschetta? Come from the dialect from central Italy. It's the name, the reference for the bread roasted, simple. And so if we think that it's one dish, very summer dish, the origin comes from the fall, when is the moment that we press the oil. And it's typical in Tuscany and in Puglia. Puglia is the hill of Italy, where we have a lot of production of the extra virgin olive oil. So the main ingredient is bread, fabulous extra virgin olive oil, garlic, after I spend 2 words for your garlic, and salt. The variant included, like you know, tomatoes, can include mozzarella, so we can make like caprese, and the last one, I give you one extra idea for your bruschetta. So pear with Parmigiano Reggiano, some drop of honey, and balsamic vinegar. This is not the traditional, it's not the original, but it's so good. So the first step is take the bread. Here I have 1 piece of bread that comes from Puglia, our hill, and it's made only with the semolina. It's a very unique bread. This is another bread from Tuscany, without salt, but made with the rustic flour, whole flour. What we do, this important step, it's roasted. Now we don't have the grill outside, we don't have a garden, so we have a roasted in top of our simple home grill. Very easy. Also, if your bread it's a little bit stolen, not important, you can roast it here or you can bake, depend what you have. So you can see, they need to be a little bit hot, and this is its 1 garlic pink. It's very interesting. You can see it's a delicate this garlic. And why the pieces of bread need to be hot? So we give a time to our garlic to melt a little bit. So we take and you make this job. You can feel the garlic the melt in top of your bread. How much you like. We give it the smell of our garlic, the traditional one. We follow the main ingredient, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is very important, especially here in Tuscany. You can see this is the symbol of organic in all Europe. This is another identification that give us like a pedigree. I come from this area, very important. Olio extravergine di oliva. We take our extra virgin olive oil, you can see, just in top, simple. What is called bruschetta in central South Italy, and what is called fettunta, slice with oil, greasy slice in Tuscany. Anyway, it's the same. We add our tomatoes. Now it's summer, our tomatoes are perfect, you can see. A little bit salt. Okay. Other one, it's a little bit different, can be not complicated, but the flavor different. I missed the pieces of tomatoes. We use 1 pear, because in Italy it's popular eat pear with the cheese for make the contrast. You take your pear, this pear is very nice. You can see small slice, no need to cut very deep. I take a pieces, again little bit garlic, and like this, little bit extra virgin olive oil. We put our here, like this. That is fabulous. I like to add a little bit salt anyway for make a contrast. the typical fresh fennel that we have in this area. We can add a little bit almond top to give the crunchy, little bit honey, little bit like this, shave of Parmesan. After I add more balsamic vinegar, and we finish with another pieces of aromatic herbs. So here you have 3 different fabulous bruschetta. We can open a fantasy and make bruschetta in every way that you like. In our website, in our recipes, you can find a lot of suggestions for make your bruschetta. And now we have finished with this presentation. I hope that you like what we have introduced. I hope that you find it easily and very tasty. And I wait you for the next video. Ciao!